everybody. Wade McNutt here, pianomeditation.com. God, we love you. We praise you. We thank you for the student, wherever they are in the world. We ask you to watch over them as they learn this and just give you glory. In your name, amen. Song is Holy Forever. Chris Tomlin, such a cool song. And this one right here, there's another lesson, whether it's posted or not, it will be posted, but is in D flat in the original key. This one's going to be C, super simple version. So if you don't have cheat sheets, a little chord booklet I showed you how to have for you to do chord piano, go down below the video. It says email list. You can click on that and get some cheat sheets. And so you want to turn to the key of C, and that we'll be working through these chords for the key of C. And if you want the chords and lyrics, copy and paste that from below the video. So let's look at verse 1. We have a C, E, G. So again, this version. It's just super simple. If you don't want to do anything complicated, anything extra, key of C. So start with the C chord, then we'll go to an F chord, F, A, C. Back to C. So the verse 1, 1,000 generations falling down in worship. Then we'll move to an A minor chord, just like this. A's in the bass. To sing the song of ages to a G chord, which is, you're just shifting everything down. Ages to the Lamb. Back to our F chord. Make sure I'm doing this so you can see a little better, but make sure and curve your hands as you play. And then back to C chord. And all have gone before us, and all who will believe, sing the song of ages to the Lamb. All right, see how we're flowing through this? So get those chords down. If you're struggling with them, pause the video, get those chords down, move in between them, make sure and be staring at those cheat sheets so you can kind of see the flow of them. And then we can move into the pre-chorus. So na 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 to the Lamb, 2, 3, pre-chorus. Your name is the highest, A minor. Actually, we'll go to a G is the highest. Your name is the greatest. Now here's an A minor. Your name stands above them all. Sorry, F. All thrones and dominions, all powers and positions. Your name stands above them all. New chord here. And I think what we'll do for this one is we'll go ahead and jump right here for our D minor. Your name stands above them all. All right. And then we jump into chorus 1. And we will sing, I'll sing and pray through this at the end with y'all so you can kind of get a flow of the song. And then you can just pray on your own. How about that? And the angels cry, holy, all creation cries. So we have the C/E with the E in the bass. So it's the same thing in the right hand for C, but we're playing an E in the bass. Holy, you are lifted high. Holy forever. All right, makes sense? Then verse 2 feels just like verse 1. So you'll see that when we do the pray through here in a second. There is a chorus 2. So it's similar to the first one, of course, just some different words. So hear people sing. Holy to the King of Kings. Holy, you will always be. Holy forever. All right, super simple. So that's all you need to be able to sing and pray through this with me. So if you are ready, let's do that thing now. So to start off the song, let's just be on a C chord. 4, 2, and then we'll go into verse 1. 1, 2, ready. 1,000 generations falling down in worship, to sing the song of ages to the Lamb. To all who've gone before us, and all who will believe, sing the song of ages to the Lamb. Pre-chorus. Your name is the highest. Your name is the greatest. Your name stands above them all. All thrones and dominions, all powers and positions. Your name stands above them all. Chorus. Jewels cry, holy. All creation cries, holy. You are lifted high, holy, holy forever. 3, 4. Let's go into verse 2. Ready. And if you've been forgiven, if you've been redeemed, sing the song forever to the Lamb. 2, 3, 4. If you walk in freedom, if you bear His name, sing the song forever to the Lamb. We'll sing the song forever. Amen. Angels cry, holy. All creation cries, holy. You are lifted high, holy, holy forever. Let's go into chorus 2. Hear your people sing, holy, to the King of Kings. Holy, you will always be. Holy, holy forever. 3, 4, 1. You will always be holy, holy forever. All right. So, hope you're able to sing and pray through that thing. Wade McNutt here, Piano Meditation Worship Tutorials, pianomeditation.com. Hey, I just passed 100,000 subs as I record this. So, if you want to show some love and add to that, that would be amazing. Love y'all guys. Keep on learning. Keep growing closer to Him. Bye-bye.